want my house to look something.
Okay, you're on this one. Oh.
I just think that was shy. Okay, I have class now. You know not to do it. No, follow her up. Okay.
Okay. Hello, everyone.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you all?
I'm fine.
Did you all enjoy in the first class?
Yes, yes, very much.
Very much. I'm so happy, Manha. I just want to ask you something. Everyone, tell me, do you have an extra device with you all? Like mobile phone? Do you have an extra mobile phone like you can get it from your mummy
Yes.
or Abu?
Yes, yes.
Umaima can get it. I don't want it now. Khatija, I don't want it right now. I want it in my science class. Okay. Umar, do you have, but still we'll see. I'm working on it if I can host the Kahoot quiz. But if not, then you can play it from the same device as well. You all have Kahoot app?
Yes.
Yes? In your device you have? Okay. So,
Yes.
so in the next class, we'll play a Kahoot quiz. Okay?
And which class is next?
Now it's a maths class. Manha, it's a maths class.
So next?
Maths class. And Umar, Umar, did you complete your English assignment?
Yes. I don't know. I don't. Yes, I did, but I don't know if some. I don't know that I submitted or not.
Just check and just confirm with your Kausar Api that whether you have submitted or not. Okay, four line rhyming poem you have to make, right, Umar?
Ma'am,
submit that.
I already in the English class
You read, right?
Yes. So do I still have to post?
Yes, yes. You have to submit so that I can forward all your posts to Ashwini ma'am. Okay?
Okay.
Everyone, Zainab, Musfira, Khatija, even you have time till evening. Okay, Khatija? Khatija, what are you eating? Biscuits? Ah, biscuits. What biscuit is that?
Nippo.
Is it Nippo or what biscuit is that? Monaco.
Monaco.
I think
Monaco.
so. Monaco will confirm with Khatija. Khatija,
Yeah,
what biscuit
it is
that?
Monaco.
Let's see whether our guess is correct or not. Okay. Khatija, tell us what is the name of that biscuit?
Monaco.
Who is correct? I am correct, or Umar is correct, or Umaima is correct.
Monaco. Monaco.
And somebody said Nippo. Nippo. Yes. Khatija, unmute yourself. Khatija, unmute yourself.
Monaco.
Umar, your cookie was really looking real.
It is Monaco.
Ah, yes. Yes, we won. Hi, Vidhi ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good, absolutely good. The kids are yours now.
Yes, ma'am. I'm waiting.
Good.
Hello, kids.
Call me Mama.
How was your day? How was your class today? You had your science class, right?
No, they had their English class. today.
English class.
English class. Okay.
Ma'am, call me blueberry cookie.
Musfira, now come back to maths class. The English class is over now.
Drama.
Yes, drama, yes.
Okay. So quickly revise the last session. Everybody's ready because we have a quiz today, a proper quiz, a small revision and a quiz. So everybody's ready?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay. So let's start with the revision first. Yes.
The revision that class is 8 na?
Yes. Very good. You remember it?
3D and 3D.
And 3D. We did 2D class yesterday, right? Oh, sorry. Last time we did 2D class, 2 dimension. What do you mean by 2 dimension?
Dimension or 2D.
A 2D. What is a 2D?
Circle,
Huh? Very good.
triangle, rectangle, square.
Very good. And we had few more.
Hexagon,
Yes, very good.
octagon,
Very good.
pentagon, pentagon.
Very good, very good. Arey, I don't think you guys need revision. You remembered so well. I'm really proud of you. Thank you so much for that. But we'll have a quick revision. What is triangle? Anyone can tell me how many sides a triangle has? And
Three.
oh, see, you have to raise your hands. You have to raise your hands. Okay? Yes, I can see Zainab raising the hand. Zainab, come on. How many sides a triangle has? 3. Very good. And Musfira? 3 corners. Very good. Mana, where's Mana?
Yes, ma'am.
Mana, I can't see you. Just a second.
1 minute, ma'am.
Yep. No problem. Umar, can you tell me how many sides does a hexagon have?
8. 6. No, 8.
I want only Umar to answer. Umar, come on.
Vidhi ma'am, if you want to share a screen, now you can start sharing the screen. Sorry.
Yes, ma'am. 6, right? Very good. Okay, tell me what is this?
Pentagon.
Pentagon, very good.
Pentagon. Circle and
Octagon, yes.
polygon. Circle.
What is this?
Semicircle.
Achha, what do you mean by a semicircle? Last time we missed it out. Half circle, right?
Circle. Half circle.
Have you,
Half circle, ma'am.
so you can see your cap. Your cap is almost a half circle, right?
Yes. And watermelon.
Yes. Watermelon. This watermelon is a duck. This, yes. This is a semicircle. Okay.
What?
Okay. So let's start with the quiz. Okay. Everybody is ready for the quiz.
Yes.
Do you have any kind of doubts? No one? Okay. Let me quickly, I don't know some of your name. I know Mana, and here is KK written. What do you mean by KK?
Khatija Kazi.
Katijar, okay. And then I have Zainab. Then I have Umar. Then I have Ali. And Musfira. Musfira, Musfira Sayyad, right?
Yes, and Musfira Rizwani.
Musfira, I can't see you. Okay, there's one more girl with specs, na?
That is
No.
Umayma.
Yes, Umayma, I was waiting for you. Umayma, we have Musfira Rijwani, we have Mustafa Qazi, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, Umayma, the first question is for you.
Okay.
Okay. Tell me the legs. The legs. Yeah. The legs. Which shape are the legs?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Very good. Now tell me something about rectangle. What do you know about rectangle?
Rectangle is
Mhm.
it is a bit like square because it has 4 corners and 4 sides, and square also has 4 corners and 4 sides.
Very
So that's
good.
why.
Okay, but is it a square? Okay,
No, but it is not a square.
Square.
It is a rectangle.
Okay, now Musfira will say, Musfira Rizwani, can you tell me why square and rectangle are two different shapes?
Yes.
Why a square and a rectangle are two different shapes? What is the difference between a square and a rectangle?
No. Square is the smaller and rectangle is the bigger.
No, this is not the correct answer.
I know.
Wait, it's Musfira's turn. Let her answer. Think, Musfira, we have time. Think it properly. Okay, no problem, Musfira. We will get into other question next time, okay? Now,
there is cylinder also in the shape.
cylinder, but cylinder is not a 2D shape, right? Now, Mana, can you tell me what's the difference between a rectangle and a square?
Square sides are equal.
Very good.
Rectangle upside and downside is bigger.
Bigger, yeah.
Bigger than right side and left side.
Very good. Now, you know how can we put these things? We can say the opposite sides are equal, you know? The opposite sides are equal.
Someone is coloring.
Yes, please don't do that, please. Okay. Yes.
Yeah, just to disable the annotation, you can just click on more. Can you see the more icon?
Just a second. Yep.
Yeah, more icon. And did you get the option that disable annotator?
Yeah, I did that.
Oh, good.
Thank you, ma'am. Now it's Khatija's turn. Khatija, can you hear me?
Yes.
Very good. Now, can you tell me what is this? The nose of the figure. What is the nose of the figure? Which shape it is?
Triangle.
Triangle. Very good. Now, how many sides does a triangle have?
3.
3.
Three
And
corners and 3 sides.
see, I told you we will not use the word corner. What is the other word for corner, Khatija? I want only Khatija to answer. No, I want only her to answer. Khatija, come on fast.
3 corners.
No, I don't want the word corner. I want the other word. You know, in maths, there's a special word for the corner. It's an important part of the shape. Come on. We are big now. We won't use the small, like LKG words like corners and sides. We will use the proper maths words.
I know what word.
No, no, you can't prompt. Okay, you can't prompt. Zainab, Zainab. I want Zainab. Zainab, can you tell me what is the other word for corner? A triangle have 3 sides and 3. Zainab, I can't hear. I can't hear you.
Ma'am, I know.
Who knows it? Give me the name. Give me the name. Mana. Mana, tell me what is the other word?
Mama. Mama.
Okay, Umayma, tell me. Umayma. Mana, I heard your answer. I'll let you know. Umayma,
Yes, ma'am.
you know the answer?
Yes.
Tell me.
It is. I forgot.
You forgot so soon.
Yes.
Okay, no issues. Now the word. Yes, Mana, tell me. Who told? Give me the name. Give me the name.
The first letter is V.
B. Very good.
Yes. V-E-R. I.
T-I. Vertices. Vertices. Very good. Very good. Now, tell me one thing. We'll have other worksheet. Okay. Now, the first question will be solved by this. Wait.
Mama.
Ali. Ali,
Mama.
can you solve me the first question?
Yes.
Just do it for me.
Yes.
Just do it for me.
What question? Ma'am, I can't see the screen. Draw a line between a shape. What question is it?
Draw a line between a shape and its name. You have to match, match the following. You just draw the line and
Draw a line between the shape and its name.
yes.
I can't understand.
Wait.
Means match the lines.
Yes, you have to match the lines. If everyone is able to see my screen properly.
Like this. Ma'am, I showed one example.
Yeah, very good. But it's wrong, right? Do it correctly. Ali, do it for me.
Circle.
Very good. Now, who's the other one? Yeah, just a second. We have Mustafa. Mustafa Kazi, can you do it? The second one for me. Third one for me, Mustafa.
Rectangle.
You have to match it properly. Yes, very good. Now, Khatija, can you do the third one for me?
Ma'am, I didn't did it.
Who? Just tell me the name. Muspira, Muspira, Sayyad and Umar. First, Muspira, Sayyad, do it for me. You have to do very neatly, okay? And Umar, can you do it for me? The last one, no one else will do. Umar, do it for me.
What, ma'am?
The last one, Umar, you are not attentive in the class. Do it the last for me. Last one. Huh?
Can you hear me?
Zainab, we can hear you. Yes, you are loud and clear. Zainab, can you hear us?
Ma'am, can you Ma'am, everybody is scribbling anything, ma'am.
That's what we did. Very good. Now, Musfira Sayyed, can you do one thing for me? Can you tell me the answers properly? I can't see the, scribbling is done very untidy.
Ma'am, I want to say. I done it. Circle match with the circle.
Wait, let
Vidhi ma'am.
Musfira
That is
Ma'am?
not my scribbling.
Musfira, yes, ma'am.
Who is scribbling on the board? Ma'am, I'm not doing that.
Okay, no issues, no issues, no issues.
Vidhi ma'am.
Yes.
Can you see the option where it shows you can see the name of the annotators?
Circle match with the third line.
Yeah, I've done it. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, fine.
The square match with the upper line.
So now you can just name the kid and they can only do it.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I can't see the option for doing it.
Yeah, just a second. Just a second.
Triangular 5 lines and red triangle. The last.
Khatija, wait. No one will scribble. I can see the names. Now only,
Ma'am,
yeah, tell me answer. You answering?
ma'am, where is the option?
You can see the options, right? What is this first figure? What is the first shape?
Ma'am, I can't see the option.
Okay, Musfira, there is, if you go on the top, you can see view options. You have to click on that. And then you have to click on annotate. You will find the option.
Where is,
Ma'am, in the meantime, can you clear the screen? You can share it again so the screen will be clear. You can reshare it. Once you will reshare it, the screen will be clear.
Ma'am, where is the option for reshare?
Stop sharing it first.
Okay, again. Okay, take it. Okay.
Okay, so basically what kind of country where you hardly give this about how much experience you have that a language that you think about like you don't make me try to
Umaima, please don't share the screen. Umaima. Thank you.
how did this happen?
Khatija, now you are sharing the screen. Khatija, please don't share the screen. Let ma'am share the screen.
Okay. Now, Musfira Sayyed, you haven't answered my questions. Let's start with this one. Just start filling this. Musfira Sayyed?
Yes, where's the option?
Yeah. You can go in. Man, what options is talking about? Khatija, please don't stop scribbling, Khatija.
Annotating option, I'm telling.
Yes, Musfira. Musfira, if you will go on top, you will find a black icon, view option. Can you see that on the top? You have to take your cursor on the top.
That question one.
It is in a black ribbon, Musfira, and you will see view option. So you have to just click on it. Okay, on the arrow. You have to click on the arrow. Please do not
Where is
scribble.
view?
It's all right, Musfira. We will learn. But ma'am, can we go to some other
Ma'am,
kids?
I'm sitting on a laptop that's why I can't see the option.
Okay, listen, Musfira. Now you have to learn from Munib, your brother Munib. Okay, from your elder brother. Okay, will you do that, Musfira? Next time, you just give the answer orally to the teacher. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Vidhi ma'am, we can just ask the answer to Musfira and we can go to other child.
But Khatija, you please stop scribbling. It's really disturbing the class. Okay. Now, Musfira, you just give me the answers orally. This, you can see the first shape. This one.
Yes.
Yeah. So, Can you answer the first thing? First, this the number of vertices.
6.
I want only Musfira to answer. Musfira Sayyed.
It's a little cracking. Ma'am, just a second, I'm counting it.
No problem. Zainab, you count the second one. You start solving the second one. I'll come to you next. Ali, you count the third one.
6. Ma'am, 5. Ma'am, I also want to. Ma'am, 5.
Yeah, very good. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, actually, few of them can't read. So if you could read for them, that would be better.
Yeah, no problem, ma'am. So, the number of vertices you said?
5.
5. I want only her to answer. No one else will answer for me. Okay, the second, the number of sides.
Second, okay.
Now, the
Didi,
first
ma'am,
one.
one more thing. Can you just increase the screen? Can you maximize the screen?
Ma'am, it's already maximized from my end.
Maximized? Okay.
Ali, the second one, name the number of vertices. How many number of, tell me the number of vertices. Ali,
Okay.
or corners, vertices or corners.
6 corners.
6 corners.
Corners.
Okay, and tell me the name of the shape.
Like this.
Tell me the name of the shape, Ali.
Ma'am, it's hexagon.
I want Ali to answer. Ali, answer it for me. Hexagon, very good. Umar, I can't see you. Umar,
Ma'am, that's all the second one.
you solve the second one.
Hello?
Umar, tell me the third number. If you can see the third figure, tell me the name of the shape.
Ma'am, I also want to say.
Wait, let Umar say. Umar, the third figure from
Ma'am,
the
I
third.
also want to say.
Tell me your name.
Oh, Mama.
Ma'am, just give me a second. I have too many questions for you. Umar, can you answer it for me fast, quickly? Can you tell me the name of the shape? Okay, Umayma, you tell me, Umayma.
Yes, ma'am.
Umayma, the third figure, what is the name of the shape?
It has 8 sides. It
What
is
is
a
it?
hexagon.
8 sides is not a hexagon.
But, what? One.
Khatija, where's Khatija? I can't see you, Khatija.
Ma'am.
Wait,
Ma'am.
just a second. Let Khatija answer. Khatija, where are you?
Pentagon.
No.
Pentagon.
No. Khatija, where are you? Khatija, I can't see you.
Tawal चाहिए आपको?
Khatija, okay, who is this? I can't see your name. Just a dot is mentioned out there. What's your name?
Mustafa.
Mustafa, tell me the name of this third figure. Third shape. What's the name of the third shape?
Octagon.
Octagon, very good. And where's Khatija? Khatija? Okay. Musfira Sayyed, can you tell me the name of the first shape? You didn't mention the name. Musfira,
Yes, ma'am.
can you tell me the name of the first shape?
Octagon.
No, it's not octagon. Umar?
Pentagon.
Pentagon, very good, very good. Okay, tell me last time I told you to count the sides in a cube and in a box. Have you done it for me? Have anybody counted the sides in the cube and a box, you know? Yes?
Ma'am, I don't because I can't hear.
You can't hear me? Am I clear? Am I clear now?
Yes.
You are
Okay.
very clear, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me, last session, we had a cube and I asked you to count the number of sides in a cube and in a box.
It's 6 sides. That class I can't hear.
You can't hear me, but everybody is able to hear me.
But that class.
Last class.
Saturday class.
Okay. But last time, Mana, you had so many, shapes. You have bought so many shapes for me. And you were almost counting the sides for me, right?
Yes.
So no one has done a homework for me, right? No one has done a homework. I told you this is a homework for you. You have to look around the shape.
did.
Okay.
I did.
Who did? Tell me your name. I can't see you.
Mama.
Umema, tell me. Yes, Umema. How many?
it.
Okay, tell me. How many sides does the cube have?
5.
5?
6, ma'am. 6.
6? Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, let's see.
Yes, it's 6 only.
It's 6? Let's see.
Yes.
There's the cube, right?
Yes.
Okay. What is the other name for sides I told you?
Faces.
No.
Ma'am, you didn't tell us for sides.
Yes, I told you it was edges. You know, edges. The edges.
Yes.
These lines are called the edges. You know, these are
Yes.
all. Can you tell me the cube is a 2-dimensional shape or a 3-dimensional shape?
3-dimensional shape.
And why? What is the difference between Musfira and Rizwani? Can you tell me what is the difference between 2-dimensional shapes and 3-dimensional shapes? Tell Mana, tell me.
2D shape is
Yeah.
2D shape is
Huh?
triangle,
Huh?
but it is
Huh?
sides. So it is named as 3D. There is
Anyone else? Anyone else? Umar, do you want to answer? Umar,
what, ma'am?
what is the difference between 2-dimensional shape and a 3-dimensional shape?
I want to answer.
Tell me.
Shape is you can create and like it looks like real thing.
Yes, very good, very good.
Shapes is which is flat.
Very, very good. Who said this? Tell me your name.
Zainab.
Zainab, very good, very good. A big clap for you. A big clap for you. See, 2D shape is always a flat. Yes, we'll clap for her. Come on, clap for her. Come on, everybody. Very, very good. Now, 2D shapes is always a flat shape, you know. It's always a flat. right? You can draw it.
Laliji.
I want everybody to mute yourself now. Everybody's mute. Okay. Now I want only this Mustafa to answer me. Mustafa.
Yes.
Okay. Just give me a quick revision. That name me any four two-dimensional shape. Come on, fast.
4 two-dimensional
Shapes.
I didn't understand that.
You didn't understand that. If you don't understand what you will do, you will ask me. You'll ask me at the same moment. Okay? You don't have to wait for the question next time. Okay, Mustafa?
Vidhi ma'am, I think so he didn't get the question.
Okay. Mustafa, you are confused about the question. I am asking you what is the difference between two-dimensional and name me any two-dimensional shapes you know.
What's dimensional?
Okay.
That's what I'm confused on.
Convert dimension. Okay, we'll get back to you. Zainab, can you mention any two-dimensional shapes? Wait, let Zainab.
Triangle and hexagon.
Wait, let Zainab answer. Zainab, can you tell me any three two-dimensional shapes?
Yes.
Tell me.
Three-dimensional shape.
Two-dimensional shape. Two-dimensional shapes.
Two-dimensional is triangle
Very good.
and circle.
And circle. Triangle, circle, and
one more is square.
square. Very good. Now, Musfira, can you tell me a name of the shape which have 5 corners?
Musfira Sayyad or Musfira Rizwani.
Musfira Rizwani. Name of the shape which have 5 corners.
Hexagon.
5, I said. Musfira Rizwani. Name the shape which has 5 corners.
Hexagon.
5, I said. Mustafa, do you know that? Mustafa? No? Okay. Musfira Sayyed, do you know? Musfira Sayyed? Yes. Who said that? Okay. Yes.
Your voice is cracking.
My voice is cracking. Pentagon.
Now it's fine.
Pentagon. Very good. Khatija, can you tell me a shape which has no sides? No sides at all. 0 sides. I want only Khatija. Very good, Khatija. Very good. Ali, can you tell me a shape which has no corners?
Circle.
Ali, I want you to answer. Ali.
Ma'am, it will be circle only. No corner shape, na?
No corners. There are no corners, no sides. Circle. Okay. Mana?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me a shape resembling to a circle.
The middle one? Ma'am, oval also doesn't have any shape. Oval also don't have any shape. Any side and any corner.
Zainab said, very good. A clap from me. A oval also doesn't have a circle and a shape. And you are the first one to answer. Very good, Zainab. Very, very, very good. Everybody was telling me circle, but oval is also an answer. Mana, can you tell me a shape which is resembling to a circle? It's same like a circle. It's almost same like a circle. Not exactly. It's almost same.
Oval.
Oval. Very good. Very, very, very good.
Because
Huh?
circle has no side and no vertex, and oval is not. Oval also no have vertex.
Okay.
Side.
Very good.
Circle and oval don't have side and corner.
Okay. Umaima, can you unmute yourself? I can't even see you. Umaima? Okay, now let's quickly get to Mustafa Qazi. See, let's, Mustafa Qazi, unmute yourself.
Yes.
No, when I say 2 dimension and 3 dimension, dimension is something which the help of which we can measure the figure, you know, we can measure it, right? 2 dimension, when I say, it's a flat thing. It's very flat, you know, you can
And
see.
3-dimensional means very bumpy.
Bumpy, yes, sort of like if I take a cube, you know, if I take a box, if I take a cupboard, you know, it has 3 dimensions. It's not completely flat, right? Things which are completely flat, you know, we can just draw it on your book, you know. It is a 2-dimensional figure.
Ma'am, what do you have to do?
You have to just listen to me. Umaima, I had a question for you, but you were not answering. Let us clear doubts of Mustafa. I want everybody to mute. Everybody to mute.
Actually, the internet went.
Okay, no problem. I'll ask you later. I want everybody to mute, and I want only Mustafa. Mustafa.
Yes.
Okay. Now, can you tell me what is what 2-dimension shapes you can look around? You know, you have a triangle, you have a square, you have a rectangle.
This charger is 3-dimensional.
Yes, very good. And if you take a plain triangle, you know, it's a 2-dimensional. If I draw a triangle on a book, you know, on a paper, and I cut a triangle, you know, it would be a 2-dimensional shape.
Yes.
Right? So we have learned triangle. It has 3 sides and 3 corners. And corners, I mean to say vertices. Okay. Then we have square. Square is a 4-sided 2-dimensional shape. It has 4 sides. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and it has 4 vertices. Right?
Yes.
Now again we have a rectangle. It also have 4 sides. It also has a 4 sides. 4 vertices, but the difference between a square and a rectangle would be square, all the sides are equal. All the sides are equal.
And
but in
rectangle, 2 sides are equal, and other 2 sides are also equal.
Very good, very good.
Rectangle. 1,
Very-
2, 3, 4.
Very good. Now then we have
Like
a
this.
5 side figure, right? How many sides you can see here, Mustafa?
5 sides.
5 sides. And how many vertices can you see? How many corners do you see?
5.
5.
Corners.
So what is the name of the shape?
A pentagon.
Pentagon. Again, it is a 2-dimensional shape, right?
Yes.
You can draw it and cut it, right? And see. Now, can you count the number of sides and corners in the shape?
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 vertices and 6 sides.
And what is the name of the shape?
Hexagon.
Very good. And what is this? Can you count it for me?
Eight sides and eight corners.
And what is the name of the shape?
Octagon.
Octagon. Very good. Okay, what is this?
Circle.
How many sides?
It has
No
no
side.
sides and no vertices.
And what about this?
That's a semicircle. It has one side and two corners, two vertices. One side and two corners.
And this?
This is oval. It also doesn't have any vertices or any sides.
Okay, very good. Now, what is this? The first figure?
A cube.
Cube,
Rubik's cube.
right? And this?
A circle. Sphere. A sphere.
Sphere. Who said that?
Yes.
Mustafa, you said that sphere?
Yes, I said.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Everybody, very good. We will continue with the third three-dimensional shape in the next session. But are you clear with two-dimensional shapes now?
Yes.
Omar, are you clear?
Yes. Yes.
Mana?
Yes.
Ali?
Yes.
Zainab?
Huh?
Umaima, I had a question for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is question for everybody.
Ma'am,
and-
what is the question?
Yeah, this is a question for everybody, but first Umaima will answer. If you can see the semicircle,
Yes. Yes.
how many sides and how many vertices does a semicircle have?
2.
Where are the two sides? Umaima? I want Umaima to answer. Umaima? How many sides?
Here one and here one.
This. And see. And see, vertices is when two sides meet, two straight lines meet.
No, then it's no.
It's no. Very good.
There
Because-
are no vertices and no edges.
Very, very good. Zainab, are you clear with this, Zainab? Zainab?
Even a circle does not have a vertex or a edge.
Zainab, I am saying that semicircle does not has any side. Do you feel it? Do you feel, am I right? I can hear a lot of disturbance. Please, everybody mute yourself other than Zainab. Zainab, wait. And other than everybody, mute yourself. Zainab, can you tell me how many sides? Zainab, how many sides semicircle has? Huh?
I think it has 2 sides.
2 lines. Okay. Mana, what do you think?
What?
Semicircle. How many sides does a semicircle has?
Sides. 2.
2. Okay. Umar, can you tell me how many sides a semicircle has?
Ma'am,
Yes.
what is question mark?
See, I mean to say how many sides does a semicircle has? Umar, I want Umar to answer. Umar, come on, tell me fast.
What?
How many sides does a semicircle have?
0 sides, ma'am.
Umar, 0. Why? Why, Umar? Why 0? I want only Umar to answer. I don't want
Okay.
anyone else to answer.
Okay.
Because
Umar, I can't see you.
it is curved and
It,
Umar, I can't see you. Umar, I can't see you. Just
I'm
look into.
here
Yeah, tell me. Everybody else, mute yourself.
because the semicircle is curved like
Yes.
this.
Yes. So, how many sides you can see?
No,
No sides? How many
I can't
corners do
see.
you see? Huh?
Corners 2.
2. Okay, how many vertices do you see?
What?
Vertices?
Vertices.
Musfira
Mm.
Sayyad, do you want to answer?
No. No, no.
Mommy.
No
No,
sides?
Mommy.
no vertices.
Ma'am,
Very
we
good,
need
Umar.
to wrap up the session.
Okay, semicircle, I just want you to think on it. What I mean by vertices is something where two sides, when two straight lines meet, you know, I
Yes.
want you to think on it, and this would be the homework for you. And again, you will take a cube, you will count the number of edges it has, you will take a box, you know, you will take a box, you will count the number of edges, you will count number of corners for me, okay? And next time I want the answer from everybody, you know.
Ma'am, I already told the correct answer, ma'am.
I don't know. I want the answers again in the next session. You know?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm telling you write in Google Classroom.
This okay, I will speak to you later on. Okay, this is just for thinking purpose. Ma'am will give you proper assignment in Google whenever she will do it. Okay.
Okay. Now, everybody, I want everyone to thoroughly go around the shapes in your place. You know, you have so many shapes at your home. You have to just look around, and you have to differentiate between a 2D shape and a 3D shapes. And you have to tell me the name of the 3D shapes. Now, let me see how many of you can do the homework for me. Okay?
Vidhi ma'am,
Yes.
I will speak to you. You have to give the homework in Google Classroom so that they can properly upload the homework.
Okay. No problem, ma'am.
Okay, we'll discuss about this.
Yes.
I can't understand.
Yeah. Mana, I was just saying that you have to look around at your place and just observe the shapes, you know. When you observe things around you, you will learn many things. You will see that maths is related to your day-to-day life, you know.
Ma'am, I love math.
Even I love maths. Very good, you know. So you will do my homework. You will observe the things around you.
Yes.
And you have to differentiate between a 2D shape and a 3D shape. And you have to show me next time, you know, this is a 2D shape, this is a 3D shape, you know, so we can understand the concept more, you know.
Ma'am, which class is next? Sandhya ma'am?
Yes. Now we will be having SDG class. Okay. Okay.
No,
So,
ma'am, it is science.
who said that it's science?
It is science.
No, it's a revised version. Just check it on timetable. It's SDG. Okay.
But you have to, what?
No, this time you don't have to bring anything. Okay, anything. Okay, just come to the class at 12 o'clock.
I have a fever.
Ali, yes, I know you have a fever. Ali, is there anyone around?
The experiment class na.
Hi. Yes, Swati ma'am's class, but just everybody leave, take little break, just drink water
What
and
do
come
you
back.
have to bring?
You don't have to get anything, Umayma. You have to just get yourself.
Why?
Okay.
Why?
We'll see what can we do. Okay, just come back at 12 o'clock. Ali,
Okay.
Ali, are you all right?
Ma'am,
Is
we have to
anyone?
only take one. Ma'am,
No, we don't want anything. Just come at 12 o'clock. We don't require anything.
I am all
Ali?
right.
Okay.
What? Ma'am?
Ali, do you have anyone around? Ali, is Umar around?
I am all right now.
Okay, okay. So come at 12 o'clock. We'll meet again at 12 o'clock. Okay, everyone. Bye
And
bye.
what we will do is
Bye. Bye, everybody.
I will let you know, Umar. You come back.
Bye.
I will let you know. Okay, bye bye.
Bye, everybody.
Bye bye.